Experience the thrill of electric driving with the all-new 2023 Kia EV6. With its sleek, sporty design and impressive range, the EV6 is set to revolutionize how we think about electric transport. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a fun weekend car, the EV6 is worth considering. Get ready to experience the future of electric driving. Welcome to Autotech, and today we're taking a look at the all-new Kia EV6. The EV6 GT is a 5-passenger sport crossover that features standard LED headlights and taillights, as well as smooth aerodynamic surfaces inspired by nature. The car boasts a range of premium features that enhance its design and performance. One such feature is a heat pump, which helps preserve all-electric range in cold weather conditions. The EV6 also comes equipped with standard heated front seats and optional heated rear seats to keep you and your passengers warm, as well as a heated steering wheel. The car also has dual-motor all-wheel drive and comes with a standard remote start with cabin preconditioning function. In terms of charging, the EV6 is compatible with both 400-volt and 800-volt DC fast chargers and can go from 10 to 80% charge in under 18 minutes when plugged into a 350-kilowatt fast charger. The car has a range of 310 miles as estimated by the EPA and comes with 1,000 kilowatt-hour of charging credits on the Electrify America network, which is equivalent to about 3,000 to 3,500 miles of free driving range. The EV6 also has a remote parking and exit feature that can be activated through the Kia Connect app and controlled through a personal device or Apple Watch. The car also has a bird's-eye view camera system that uses 4 exterior-mounted cameras to provide a panoramic view of the surroundings and assist with parking. The EV6 GT is available in a range of exterior colors including blue, gray, white, red, and black. The seat trims are available in various options including black vegan leather with white vegan leather trim, charcoal vegan leather, black suede with neon accents, black suede with white trim, white vegan leather with black trim, and all black vegan leather. You can choose the combination that best suits your personal style and preferences. There are a total of 5 trims available for the EV6 GT. The EV6 Wind, rear-wheel drive, has a starting price of $48,500. While the EV6 Wind all-wheel drive has a starting price of $52,400. The EV6 GT line rear-wheel drive has a starting price of $52,700, and the EV6 GT line all-wheel drive has a starting price of $57,400. Finally, the EV6 GT all-wheel drive has a starting price of $61,400. Each trim offers a different set of features and options, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. The exterior of the 2023 EV6 features flush door handles that are optimized for aerodynamic efficiency. In the lower trims, these handles must be pulled out manually, while in the GT line and GT trims, they pop out automatically. The car also offers various alloy wheel designs and has a unique taillight design that wraps around from one rear fender to the other. Additionally, the GT line and GT trims come equipped with a powered wide-panel sunroof. The EV6 has a spacious and practical interior with a number of storage options. One of the standout features is the extra front interior storage, which gives the car an impressive cargo space and makes it easy to carry your large items. The EV6 also has a towing capacity of up to 2,300 pounds, allowing you to use the car to haul small trailers or other lightweight items. This makes it a versatile vehicle that can accommodate a range of different needs and activities. While the front trunk space is somewhat limited, the car still offers plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or other items you may need to transport. Overall, the EV6 is a great choice for those who need a car that can handle a variety of different tasks and demands. One key competitor for the EV6 is the Hyundai Ioniq 5. These are 2 electric crossovers that offer a range of advanced features and technology. Both cars have high-capacity batteries that provide a good amount of electric range, as well as powerful motors that deliver strong acceleration and performance. In terms of tech, both vehicles offer a range of modern amenities such as touchscreen displays, connectivity options, and advanced driver assist systems. In terms of safety, both cars have been designed with a range of features to help protect passengers and prevent accidents, such as airbags, stability control, and collision avoidance systems. While the EV6 and the Ioniq 5 do have some differences in terms of styling and design, they're both strong contenders in the electric crossover market and offer a range of features that make them appealing to a wide range of buyers. For more information about Hyundai's competitive option, check out our overview video on the Ioniq 5. The EV6's interior is designed to be both sporty and comfortable, with features such as a flat-bottom sport steering wheel and GT suede bucket seats that are inspired by high-performance sports cars. The seats are lightweight and comfortable, and the interior as a whole has been built on the revolutionary eGMP platform, which features flat floors for easy exit and entry, Giga steel seats that provide a spacious interior, and a unique cargo compartment under the center console. The EV6's interior is also designed to be luxurious and inspiring, with available ambient lighting to set the mood and premium features that create a memorable experience while on the road. Additionally, the car incorporates eco-friendly design elements throughout its construction, such as 100% LED lighting and available vegan leather. In terms of cargo space, the EV6 offers up to 50.2 cubic feet of rear cargo room, as well as 28 cubic feet of cargo space behind the back seat and 54 cubic feet total when the rear seat backs are folded flat. The car also comes with a standard smart power tailgate that opens automatically by sensing your key, making it easier to load and unload gear and supplies hands-free. However, it's worth noting that front row headroom may be somewhat limited in sunroof-equipped models due to the car's sleek roofline. The EV6 is equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen and dual panoramic display that provides a combined 24 inches of curved display for various functions such as navigation, entertainment, voice recognition, diagnostics, and vehicle information. The displays also have an integrated blue light filter that may help reduce eye strain and driving fatigue. You can use the Kia Connect app or the touchscreen to find charging spots and check your vehicle's charging status. The EV6 also offers an available heads-up display that displays safety information and route guidance in augmented reality, helping you keep your focus on the road. The car is also equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities. The EV6 offers a thrilling driving experience with its all-electric drivetrain and advanced features. With 446 foot-pounds of torque and a 0-60 time of 4.6 seconds, the GT Line all-wheel drive trim has impressive acceleration and outperforms the 335 horsepower 2021 Porsche Cayenne Coupe in independent quarter-mile tests, certified by AMCI testing. The EV6's low center of gravity, excellent handling, and sport suspension on the GT trim contribute to its enjoyable driving dynamics. The car is also built on Kia's eGMP platform, which uses ultra-high-strength steel for lightweight, yet strong structure that enhances handling and offers a wheelbase similar to many midsize SUVs. The EV6 comes standard with rear-wheel drive and multi-link rear suspension for sporty handling on the Wind and GT line trims. The models with torque vectoring all-wheel drive feature dual motors for strong acceleration and all-weather grip. In addition to its impressive performance, the EV6 has vehicle-to-load ports that allow you to use the car to charge or power-compatible electric devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and home appliances. The EV6's futuristic styling is a standout feature and adds to its overall appeal as a highly capable, enjoyable electric crossover with a range of advanced features and technology. We hope you found this video helpful in your search for a new electric vehicle. The EV6 is a stylish and feature-packed electric vehicle that's sure to impress and worthy of considering. Do you think it qualifies as the top contender in the EV market? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing to this channel. Until next time, thanks for watching AutoTech.